my channel. It's Dina from Let's Try and See. This is a very natural, very subtle makeup look for Valentine's Day. Just wanted to bring that to you really quick. And if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe and then check out the video. Okay, so we're starting with our base, and if you need to see how we got there, I do have a no makeup tutorial on my channel, and I will add a card over here. And then here we are going ahead and fill in our eyebrows. I'm using just a regular eyebrow pencil for this. Any brown or black pencil, depending on your preference, will do. And yeah, I'm just going in and working on my eyebrows. Like I said, I do not have a eyebrow tutorial because my eyebrows are merely cousins. They're not even sisters. So once we get them a little closer, maybe, and I perfect that, I will do a tutorial on that. So yeah, cousins, not sisters, definitely not twins. So yeah, working the eyebrows. All right, so my next step is I am going to take the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, and I am going over my mobile lid, and I will take my beauty blender and I'm going to blend that out. I wanted to get like a seamless base for this because this is where the power is in your eyes. No, but yeah, I just wanted a seamless base. Then I'm going to take the Fit Me Finishing Loose Powder in the color 30, and I'm going to take this flat brush and I'm going to pat that over and set the concealer. And I'm going to blend that in really, really good also. Go ahead and close that up. Then I changed my mind and I picked up the Wet n Wild highlighter in Crown of my Canopy, and I am going to apply a highlight here and add a little highlight to my nose. Then I'm going to grab my Island Blues palette from Wet n Wild, either Wet n Wild or Black Radiance, I'll double check. And I'm going to grab this second shimmery brown shade and I'm going to go over my mobile lid. Then I am going to take the Mandalay Dusk from Shea Moisture and I'm going to create a very messy C. No, I'm going to clean that up, I promise. But we're going to take that and create like a transition color. And we're going to just blend that in. And then I'm going to try to work it out and get rid of that with my beauty blender, which really wasn't working. So then I went and grabbed a little bit of foundation and I got rid of that. So I put a tiny bit of foundation on my beauty blender and I basically erased that mistake. So yeah, if you make a mistake, do not panic. Foundation covers everything. And then we're going to take that fawn color again with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and we're going to just kind of highlight our upper brow just to basically tighten up our arch. Then I'm going to take that Mandalay Dusk again, and I'm going to contour with that. Notice that I didn't contour with my LA Girl Pro Concealer first, only because I'm not trying to do a super dramatic contour, even though in this lighting it looks very dramatic, but you'll see in the final photo that it was very, very soft. And then I'm lining my lips with a regular lip liner. And I'm going to use the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the color Poet. I'm addicted to that lately, so I'm using that color. And I am just working it in because it is very, very matte, so you have to kind of slowly build it, because if you go hard, it's going to be hard to move around due to the matteness. And I'm cleaning that up with my liner. then I'm going to pick up my Wet n Wild palette called Poster Child, and I'm going to go ahead and get this peachy pink color, and I'm going to go in my crease area, and I'm going to fill that in very, very softly. It's not going to be a super, super bright color, but it's going to be, you know, visible. So like I said, we're doing a very natural, very, very soft Valentine's Day look, and this is what brings that in. Now we are going to add some mascara. And just a heads up, you can stop here if you want, but I am naturally going to add some lashes off camera here. So as you can see, we're going to add this LA Girl mascara in the color black. Making sure I coat every single lash. Now I'm going to take my hair down and check myself out in the mirror, and I think I'm done. Okay, so this is the final look. And if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any updates or new videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. Bye. Oh, don't forget to get $5 off using Uber Eats.